fucking assist, man. Oh, the giant snake in the background.
Why is there a snake?
Dude. Kakashi. No, come on, Kakashi. Crap. Triangle. Oh my god, this game is so crazy. Come on, Kakashi.
Go Sasuke! Woo! Kick his ass.
What do you mean, error?
Woo, Sasuke! Yeah, no.
I'm totally ponying you at this game. Oh, whatever. This is own it. I killed you.
Woo!
You know what? Redo. You know what? I won. It's on. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Location you want to go to with the directional buttons. Confirm by pressing the X button.
Screw this person.
What's going on in here?
We're playing a video game, Toby. It's not Halloween and all that.
It isn't?
No, come on, let's watch. I'm gonna kick Zetsu's butt.
I'm blushing.
You're better.
Come on, we're playing.
You're better.
I'm going to be a little cocky. Bully.
Oh, whatever. You suck.
Woo, go Naruto! What? Oh, come on.
Can we say gay?
What?
You heard me?
I am not gay.
Yes, you are.
Are not.
Are too.
Not.
Who wears long blonde hair?
Hey, get over.
At least mine isn't discolored.
Get the camera over here.
Blue is so in.
Over here, dang it.
Sure. Just watch the video game.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
Stupid hands,
so gay.
little slave.
Conan loves Toby.
Toby loves Conan.
Yeah! Sakura!
Not the pink hair.
Pink is cool, just like blue. You want to talk, gay dude?
Get over here.
I am nothing. I am just artistic.
Watch this. Come on.
Artistically gay.
Watch this.
Oh, you are gonna. Oh.
You're better. No, I'm better. No, you're better. No, I'm better.
What's up with Zetsu?
I don't know. He's talking to himself.
No, I'm not. No, you're not.
Oh, come on.
Zetsu?
Yes. Oh, I fell off.
Or should I say Zetsus?
Finally, we can agree on something.
You're still autistically
Come on.
gay.
Die, Naruto. I hate you.
Whoa!
That's something you're doing in your head.
I'm gonna have nightmares tonight.
That's DBZ right there. Oh my god, what the fuck was up with that pose?
I knew it! I knew it this whole time! Sakura's been cheating on you, Sasuke. If you hear this...
And I win, Zetsu. You got... Oh!
Okay. No, I did not get owned. No, I did not.
Yes, you did, man.
You're right.
Yeah.
But no, I did not.
Yeah,
Yes, you did.
Hey, break it up. That's for earlier, just by the way, now. Hey! Did your mother ever teach you not to hurt a girl?
Let's go.
I never knew my mother, goddammit.